Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my dear and my friend? Today I want to tell you a good news. My name is Mufti Sayyid Sharif. I am from Pakistan, Islamabad. I am Islamic teacher and scholar and teach the Islamic rules and mazameen and subject online in internet. If you want reading and learning the Holy Quran with Tajweed and Nazra and Nurani Qaida and translate the Holy Quran Kareem in English and Arabic and Farsi and Pashto and Urdu and Hindi. I'll teach you. So come here and teach you, no problem. Also, if you learning the Hadith Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam with Sahih sets. Also, if you learning language, for example, Urdu and English and Farsi and Arabic, I am teach you. This is a good news for you and your family and your friend. Please contact me. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.